Understanding the differences between retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, and wholesale hybrid models is key to choosing the right path for your e-commerce business in 2026. Each model has its advantages, challenges, and ideal use cases. The smartest sellers often combine them into hybrid systems that maximize profits and scalability. Let's start with retail arbitrage. This is the classic model, buying discounted products from local retail stores and reselling them online for a profit. Retail arbitrage still works well because in-store clearance and regional price variations often create hidden opportunities. It's hands-on, fast to start, and perfect for beginners who want to learn the fundamentals of sourcing, listing, and selling. However, it's limited by time and geography. You can only buy as much as you can physically find and transport, which makes scaling harder. Next comes online arbitrage, which removes those limitations. Instead of sourcing from local stores, you buy from online retailers and resell on marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Walmart. Online arbitrage offers scalability because tools and automation handle much of the heavy lifting. You can analyze thousands of listings across multiple sites using software like Tactical Arbitrage or Seller Amp. It's less physical and more data-driven, allowing you to scale faster and operate globally. The trade-off is higher competition and the need for strong systems to track inventory, profit margins, and compliance. Then we have wholesale. In this model, you buy directly from distributors or manufacturers at bulk pricing and resell the products online. Wholesale requires more capital upfront but offers stability and volume. Unlike arbitrage, where inventory availability changes constantly, wholesale relationships provide predictable supply and often better profit margins per unit. You can also negotiate exclusive deals or brand partnerships that give you a long-term edge. Now, the future lies in hybrid models, combining these approaches strategically. Many sellers start with online arbitrage to generate cash flow, then transition into wholesale for scale and consistency. Some use retail arbitrage seasonally, especially during holidays, when in-store deals explode. Hybrid sellers also leverage wholesale contacts to secure bulk orders of products they've already proven profitable through arbitrage data. AI and automation make hybrid models even more powerful. Predictive analytics can identify which products sourced through arbitrage have long-term potential for wholesale partnerships. AI bots can manage sourcing from both retail and online suppliers simultaneously, while inventory management tools keep everything synchronized. Each model supports the others. Retail arbitrage gives you fast wins, online arbitrage gives you automation and reach, and wholesale gives you stability and long-term scalability. By blending them, you create a diversified, resilient business that adapts to market shifts. In 2026, flexibility is the ultimate advantage. Sellers who combine traditional sourcing with AI-driven systems and hybrid models are the ones who scale fastest and stay profitable. Whether you're flipping clearance items, automating online deals, or negotiating wholesale contracts, the future of e-commerce belongs to those who master all three models and use them together strategically.